This video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. So I decided to pick up the camera and start vlogging for the weekend. I'm gonna be going home for a couple of days, Whittier to be specific. And I wanted to vlog because I know a lot of you actually enjoy seeing like my family and getting to know me a little bit better like that. So I'm just gonna start doing more random vlogs like this. So yeah, getting ready for the drive ahead. Might as well do a little outfit check for you guys. So here is my outfit. We just have my New York hat that I got from New York. This Zara tank top. I seriously wear this tank top so many times, it's ridiculous. And got some Lululemon leggings. And then I have my Allbirds that I love. And for jewelry, of course, I have my Ana Luisa. Everything Ana Luisa. Earrings, necklace, rings. And that's it. Pretty simple. We're ready to go. So I guess I will see you guys in LA. So lo traje persimmons de Trader Joe's. What? Just got home, there was so much traffic. But right now, we're gonna go to Cane's for the very first time ever. I'm so excited. They opened one up super close right here to my mom's place. So I'm gonna try it and I'm starving. So I'm excited. Ready, mommy?
Yes.
Vamos, vámonos. Sí, ven. Okay, let's do it. So I forgot my phone because I was going to record the drive-thru situation. But then I thought, who cares, right?
Ya le dije a mi hijo que se lleve la tele de mi cuarto. Ahí estás grabando.
Sí.
Oh my god.
It's okay, mom. Gente la quiere ver. Huh, guys? Tell my mom in the comments that you want to see more of her. Oh my god, these fries are so good. Just be in it. People like you.
Look at my gray hair.
Look at my gray hair. Okay.
Hi guys.
I'm excited. Okay, so my mom got the sandwich and I got this one. Ooh, you could try it too. Oh, nice. We got extra.
Look.
My mom's sandwich.
I'm so excited.
And then mine. Okay. Okay, I was hoping it was like spicy. The chicken's good. You already know. Ellos ya saben. Siempre les digo que este es el más mejor.
It's
Perfect
hot.
duo.
It's really hot.
A ellos les gusta. Anyways, guys, we're gonna enjoy our breakfast. Anyways, guys, I'm tired. We're gonna enjoy our food and hang out, and I'm gonna get some work done. But I'll talk to you in the morning. Hey guys, so some time has passed. We have Hector here. And we are about to go to Ikea because Hector got his new apartment. So we're gonna go to Ikea and get some last minute things that he needs. Before we go though, we're gonna do a fit check, of course. We have to do the fit checks now. We have this New York hat, all right? We have these jeans are from Zara. You don't have to go too far, you can get closer. How far is it? Top is from Zara. And then I stole this sweater from my little sister's closet. It's the Icon Volleyball Club one. And then my Allbirds, of course. Can't go without my Allbirds. And jewelry is Ana Luisa, of course. And next, Hector.
Alright, I got a regular black tee from H&M. I got a nice Apple Watch. I got some Lululemon joggers. Of course, the Nikes. So that's it.
Nice, nice. So really quick before I leave you guys, obviously the holidays are right around the corner. So I wanted to share with you the biggest sale that Ana Luisa is having this month for Black Friday. Perfect time. It's the perfect time to start shopping for your loved ones. You could find amazing pieces and everything is starting right now. Like things go up to even 60% off. So definitely check it out because you know I'm always wearing their stuff. I'm wearing my two new favorite rings right now, my layered chain and necklaces. These I have been obsessed with so much. They're seriously just so simple. So these are two separate ones and They're just the easiest necklaces to layer and they just look so nice. It's so simple, but it really just like pulls my outfit together. I also, of course, am wearing a bunch of their earrings, so just decked out. And what really makes their jewelry so giftable too is the packaging. You always receive a really nice box and all of the jewelry comes in really cute little baggies and they're perfect for traveling as well. So little bags like this are perfect and it honestly makes things super thoughtful. So definitely check out the Ana Luisa Black Friday sale going on right now. You can check it out by the link in my description. But yeah, now we are off and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Ooh, so cute. Yeah, just the black one. Take a picture of it, yeah? You guys, these mirrors are so cute. The solid wood one, $15, and then this one is $30. This lamp is so cute. This is really cute. Laid here. These candle holders are so nice. I'm like gonna try to resist to buy these. 25 bucks. Dude, it actually looks real. Like through the camera. It's like loud that they take a picture. It literally looks so real through the camera. You guys, we made it to New York. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. That's fun. Studio idea. How cute is this bathroom? They have wine, guys. Ikea has it all. I love this one. This one's fun. I like this. You could even, oh well, you already have somewhere for your fruits, huh? $12.99. Really cute. These are hella cute. Look at how cute this one is. A 2-pack. How cute. These are really nice. I like these, but there's other ones too. I really love this one. And I feel like I'm gonna take it home because for me that price is just so pretty. I have no idea where I would put it, but let's see. I'm like, that's enough for me. Some chicharrones. Hector's favorite section of Vallarta is the candy section. Let's see, which one's your favorite?
Favorite? Oh, there's like chunky tamarindo.
Tamarindo. Hector loves tamarindo.
This is a burro tamarindo.
Oh, these are my favorites. These are my favorites. Those are bomb. For the michelada? Should we get something for the michelada? Yeah. Remember these with the rebelde?
Yeah,
Rocaletas? These are also bomb. The green ones. Coma más pues. Those are good. Cachetadas. This is how I lost the tooth once. Hector, did you know? This is how I lost the tooth once with the cachetadas. Hector, can you see that they have lollipops now? Yum. Those are mom. Yeah, the cajeta ones.
Estos
My favorite. ¿Usted los hacía?
Sí.
Mango pico limón.
Mango pico limón.
¿Te llevas los que?
Alright, so we're back from all the shopping that we did. We're gonna do a little haul for you guys. Well, this mirror Hector already had, but he's taking it to his apartment. Very nice. Do you want me to move? Do you need help?
How should I do this?
Straight up. Yeah. ¿Tienes cobija? Like for the top. Okay, so quick little haul from Ikea. So I have allergies like all day. But we got Hector those these two tables. These are gonna be his bedside tables. So we got two of those in black. And then we got two shoe racks because you could stack these. So he's just gonna put these in his closet for his shoes. He wants to keep a very minimal look, so he doesn't really want to have too many things out and about. And then we got this trash bin for under his sink. And then he got this mixing bowl, this colander, I believe that's what it's called, right? The strainer. And then he got this little bowl, little chef things, you know, this little spatula, and then a little scrub for cleaning. And I think that was it, right? Let me try to show you what else we got. But we got these really cool marble coasters, really pretty green color. He got this one for either like, I think he's gonna use it for oil, vanilla extract, that type of stuff. And then just a cookie sheet, a baking sheet. All right, and then very quickly what I got. I did end up getting this one because I don't know why I love it so much. I don't know where the heck I'm gonna put it yet, but I think it's really pretty. We will figure it out. That must have been the worst haul in the history of hauls, but gotta do what you gotta do, however you can do it, you know? All right, now we are doing a Vallarta haul. First, we got some plantain chips. I never saw them carry these before, so love plantain chips. We had to pick these up. Gonna snack on those right now. Then my mom got some of these little wafer things. So good, love these. I used to always snack on the little mini ones and pretend that I was at church because I don't have my first communion, so I was never allowed to eat it. So that's what I would do.
Asian peppercorns that numb your mouth. These are
it smells good, but I can't have allergies. Picked up some other some candies. These are my favorite. The ones that have the cajeta. Then we got these for our micheladas and obviously just to snack on too. Oh yeah, these are the micheladas that we got. Hector got the normal modelo chelada. And then I, of course, had to get the limón y sal one. Yum! We're gonna have those right now. Then we got these chili tamarindo candies. Super good. And of course, we had to get some mango strips, you know. And last but not least, they had caña ready to go in these little packets. So you don't have to do anything, you just eat it. It's literally just sugar cane, but so bomb. So that's all we got. And now Hector and I are gonna enjoy our cheladas and we're gonna, my mom's making some tacos. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's have them. What is that?
It's like a sausage.
Can you open them? Let's do it. Cheers.
Veo la papaya.
¿Eso es lo que yo le di? about the lighting. I am so tired and I'm so full. We ate so much. And I am gonna pack up my car because gotta drive back to San Diego now. But before I end this vlog, I just want to say thank you guys for hanging out with me and my family this weekend. It went by so fast, but I'm excited for the holidays coming up because then I get to spend more time with them and everything. And let me know if you guys like these type of vlogs. I like to share a little bit more of my personal life so you guys can get to know me better. So it's just my fun little way to show you the other side of me. But yeah, before I fully end this vlog, don't forget about Ana Luisa's Black Friday sale. I'm gonna be shopping on there myself for my friends and family because it's just the perfect gift or addition to any gift that you have for your like girlfriends or something. And lastly, don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok right over here at Casita in case you guys wanna keep up with me a little bit more. I share all different types of content over there. I hope you have a great rest of your day and week, and I will see you next time.